How to edit sound on TikTok, a quick guide. We all know that succeeding on TikTok means racking up millions of views. However, standing out among thousands of daily content creators can be a challenge. Thankfully, TikTok provides tools to help you create videos that look and sound great. Adding music to your TikTok videos. One of TikTok's biggest strengths is its vast music library. To add sound to your videos, simply tap Add Sound at the top and browse the enormous catalog. Want to adjust the music volume? Head over to the edit screen, tap on your music track, and use the volume slider to get the perfect sound mix. Applying voice effects. Get creative with voice effects. TikTok offers various options that can change your voice to sound higher, lower, or even robotic. This is perfect for adding comedic flair to your skits or creating a unique signature sound. Just click on the voice icon in the editing menu after uploading your video. Removing background noise. Although TikTok had a helpful noise reduction feature, it's been removed. This can be a setback for users shooting videos in noisy environments. For better audio editing, consider using external applications like CapCut, which is recommended by ByteDance, or explore competitors like InShot and Filmora. Wrapping up. With a solid understanding of audio editing tools on TikTok, you can produce videos that not only look fantastic but sound engaging too. So why not give it a shot and make your content rise above the noise? Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.